Welcome. Today we're diving into the exciting world of bench digital multimeters, or DMMs. Whether you're involved in research and development, quality assurance, or automated test systems, choosing the right multimeter is crucial. Let's explore what sets these tools apart and how to select the best one for your needs. A bench DMM serves different user groups, including design engineers, quality teams, and test automation engineers. Each has unique priorities. R&D teams emphasize accuracy and flexibility, QA teams require reliability, and test automation engineers focus on integration and remote control. R&D labs use bench DMMs for circuit validation and long-term observation. They need high accuracy, multiple functions, and clear displays to grab data quickly. In contrast, QA teams need fast readings, repeatability, and stable data storage to meet production demands. They focus on quality control checks. Automated test systems utilize DMMs as part of a larger system of equipment. Here, interface compatibility and command behavior are essential for smooth operation. The bench DMM must work seamlessly with components like software and external power supplies. Understanding the differences between bench DMMs and handheld models is vital. Bench DMMs excel in controlled environments, offering stability, connectivity, and detailed displays compared to handheld counterparts that suit quick checks in the field. Next, let's break down the specifications. A 5.5-digit DMM might be adequate for routine tasks, while a 6.5-digit model offers better accuracy for precise measurements. It's crucial to assess the resolution and accuracy across various functions. Now let's consider the buying criteria. R&D buyers should prioritize accuracy for critical measurements. QA teams must balance speed and accuracy to maximize throughput. Automated test applications require a focus on interface compatibility and SCPI commands. In conclusion, selecting the right bench digital multimeter is critical for efficiency and effectiveness in any testing environment. Remember, each use case has different requirements, so tailor your choice accordingly. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights on choosing the right tools for your industry. Thank you for watching.